There's not one quick fix prescription that the Y gives to people. It is really being an artist on how you want to navigate to complete your mission or to reach that one person, that one youth. I was serving tables at the time, and I needed to get my foot in the door with working with kids. So I opened the newspaper, and I found an ad that said, work with kids for $10 an hour. I started off as a program leader at an elementary school in Long Beach, inner city, low income, and I saw that that was the vision of a teacher that I had. So I quit my credential program, and I decided to figure out how to make youth work a career for myself. A year and a half there, I got promoted to assistant site director, which gave me a little bit more license to create more programs. After that, I actually jumped to another department, which is the Youth Institute, which is a digital media high school program. After that, I went back to after school as a site director and led that team for about a year. Then quickly got promoted to site coordinator, which I was in charge of 3 funding streams for that site, including a very intense family involvement program, which was an amazing opportunity to work with families on that level. I got promoted to after school operations director. Then with the birth of our social enterprise after school university, I got promoted to after school operations and training director. Every day is different, every day has a new challenge, and every day we push to go from good to great. Day to day it changes from a kid getting maybe tripping and getting hurt, and us going to their home, connecting with our social worker to make sure that they have everything they need, with medical insurance, they have the appropriate medical care, to me jumping on a plane to Northern California or New Orleans to train hundreds of after-school professionals on the best practices of youth development, to going to other Y events across the other side of the country to learn best practices and see how I can push the movement, the new movement forward. Really going into the community and seeing the discrepancies, whether they're systematic or consequential, and bringing those underserved people to a fair fighting ground to succeed. I've been very fortunate to have a number of amazing mentors. One of them being my supervisor, Bob Cabeza. Also a number of other people in the field. One of those people really encouraged me to be an advocate for my own professional growth and development. So that included having books and literacy and a community of learners as part of my own professional growth. To really define your mission, manifest it and make it happen, and continually make decisions based on that personal mission and make sure that it coincides with the Y's mission.